Let's change those flat textures to be more attractive. First, I will show you how to get displacement effect in EEVEE. So let's switch our workspace to shading first. Here you can see displacement. Here when you have material output, probably you will think you can do something like this. Shift A, search displacement. Okay, put here. You will connect this one here, and you will connect some kind of displacement map. Shift A, image texture. So you will add some kind of image texture that is displacement. I will use this one for myself, flower of mask. You will connect the color to the height and nothing happens, right? So in EEVEE it's the wrong approachment, it's the wrong way. So let me show you the right way. Let's delete those two. And we can go back to layout workspace. So let's go to the modifier properties, okay, and we will subdivide this model, okay. You can use subdivision surface or multi-resolution. Right now I will show you how to do it with subdivision surface, okay. And now I will change to simple, and I already know I have to use 8 subdivision, okay, in viewport. Yeah, so we could see the effect, but that's not all, and we will add another modifier, this time displays. Okay, let's add displays. You can see the dice got bigger, but that's not the end. Now let's add the texture. Press new. Okay, I will use the UV. Let's change the name to displays. Now let's go here to texture properties. Okay, this is our texture. Let's open, and I will add. So I will choose again the same texture. And still doesn't look good. So let's go back to the modifier properties. And here, the strength, I will set to 0.05. Okay, you can see already we have displays working fine, but I will crank this a little bit more. I will put 1. So as you can see, our displacement is working fine in viewport. But if you feel the viewport is your viewport can't handle so many triangles, you can set here like 2, but the render, because you want to render this, make sure it's also 8. Okay, and this is how you get the displacement effect in EEVEE. And also if you switch to cycles, this method works. And let me show you the second way how you can get the displacement effect, but it works only in cycles. So let's go back to the shading workspace. So let's switch our viewport to render. Okay, Shift A, let's add now displays. Okay, let's connect. Shift A, let's add our displacement texture, image texture. Let's connect this to height. Okay, open. Let's choose our displacement texture. Okay, no color data, fine. But as you can see, we don't have nothing, yeah? So it's because we don't have modifier, we didn't subdivide our dice. So this time I will multi-resolution, okay, modifier, and I will change to simple, and I will subdivide this till I will get level 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even when you add the modifier and you still don't see the effect, you have to go to the texture, okay, texture properties, and here where you see the settings, we have bump only, right? You have to change this to displacement and bump. And look how strong it is. Okay, we will fix this. So let's change this scale to 1.5, 0.05. Okay, looks quite okay, but and let's see if I change this to 1. Okay, looks good. And as you can see now, we have displacement in cycles using this method. Okay, very important to remember when you're using displacement map. Okay, you can reduce your strength of normal map to 0.1, for example, or 0.2, and you will get much better results and effects in the end. So let's go back to layout, workspace, and this is how looks the final product in cycles using displacement map and normal map at the same time. If you like this video, please smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, please consider to subscribe to my channel and don't forget press the ring notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.